YouTube? It's your boy Horseplay X, and I'm out here with my boy Larry with an A.
What's up?
And so my boy Larry is gonna teach me how to ride a bike today. Get this, I've never ridden a bike before besides when I was a little kid and I had a gas/electric hybrid, whatever that was. It wasn't street legal. My dad had bought it for me from downtown LA, and it went like 30 miles per hour max, right? So this is not the same. So let's show you the bike. So we ride in a Ninja, what is this called?
Ninja 400.
This is a Ninja 400, right? This is what we're learning on today. Not the same as a 30 miles per hour bike I had when I was a kid.
Be shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook.
And so he's gonna teach me the basics. I have zero idea on how to ride a bike, okay? I don't know how to shift, I don't know how gears work. So we're gonna start slow. I'm gonna try not to crash. You got some words of wisdom for me? Don't crash. Got it.
That's how you start the bike. It's not like a car where you just turn the key and the car starts. You turn this, your dash turns on, and then you have a kill switch right here. The kill switch has to be on the on position, so you just turn it in the on position. It's not in gear right now, so I'm gonna put it in neutral. And then to start it, here's the starter.
Okay. Roger that.
So the controls for this bike, this is the shifter. This is how you shift the motorcycle. So this is first gear, second gear. Put your feet right here and pull them up like that. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Over here is your brakes. This is your front brake. So this model, it has ABS, so you can fly over your bike. But so this is your front brake, your throttle. This is what makes those revs.
Okay.
Rear brake right here. This is for slow speed turns, for those fine movements.
Alright.
That's all.
Alright guys, so we're gonna just get right to it, hop on the bike. I'm gonna pop on Larry's helmet. Oh god. Yo, that thing is tight. Oh.
You want to take them off? You want to take?
Okay. Ears fixed. Let's go, baby. All right, so key's already in there. Swoop that shit over and just turn this on, right? It's kind of windy. This one? Yeah. Can I put the kickstand up first?
Yeah.
And it's on neutral right now, that's cool?
Yeah.
And kill switch.
On. Start it.
Hold this down, right? The clutch?
Yep.
Now I'm going forward on neutral, right? Or one?
No,
one.
Yeah, so shift right now.
Up.
Down. There you go. And then feather the clutch.
Hitting this? Oh! Yo, not bad though. That was not bad.
That's pretty good. You were using the throttle?
Your bike is in perfect condition, pristine condition. I'm in pristine condition. You're in pristine condition. This is a good run. Yeah, this is dope. Thank you for that. This is sick. Also, when I brake, am I just supposed to hit the brake?
So you're supposed to tap it like this.
Okay.
Tap.
And I did stall through that. Like it kept like kind of like.
Oh no, that's not stalling. That's just the power. It's like weird.
Like control on this, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's because were you twisting this a little bit? Yeah, that's why. This is the throttle. This will the
I wasn't leaving it
the
consistent.
go juice. That's the go juice.
Okay.
You're just supposed to use this, but you're going ahead. But it's fine. You didn't crash. It's good.
Oh,
Yeah. You're only supposed to use this.
Okay.
But okay, it's all good.
That was good. All right.
Turn this off. Turn the bars that's leaning toward this way.
Got it.
And then you get off.
Oh, let's go.
Saddle.
All right, guys. So we feel like that was a really good run. The bike is in perfect condition. We all feel safe and sound. We had helmets on. It was a pleasure teaching you, bro. That's all it is.
Didn't drop it.
I didn't drop it. Honestly, yo, props to my boy Larry. He was. I know he was kind of scared because this is a new bike for him too, and I've never ridden before. So shout out to Larry for actually even letting me go about this. I'm glad it's in perfect condition still. So I think this is a good day. So I'm actually going to take the MTC course in Van Nuys in like a few days. So we're gonna come back around after that too. So we'll probably start putting some more content out regarding my journey riding a bike too, and we're gonna have Larry popping out more videos too of his riding journey and just things he's been through riding and like just informative bits he can put out too. So we'll be just look out for his content coming out too. Any last closing, Larry?
Can't wait for you to ride.
Let's go, baby.